Hi and welcome back. So today's video is going to be another sauce video, as you might have seen by the title. I've just got back from a holiday to Mauritius. I was very lucky to be able to go there for a couple of weeks with my wife. Mauritius is known for quite spicy food. However, when you're staying at resorts, you tend to get food that's a little bit blander, just to make up for the tastes of the average person that's going to go there. They're not necessarily going to like their spice. But luckily for me, a very friendly bunch at the resort I was staying at, they gave me some sauce that they use quite a lot in their own homes. It's basically just a chili paste, chili sauce that they have. They put it on pretty much anything and it goes great with most things. It's really good, very versatile sauce, so that's what we're going to make today. So the chilies we're going to use today will be the bird's eye or the piri piri that I've been growing. That's pretty much the chili that they use out there. They don't call it piri piri, they call it just bird's eye. So any of those type of chilies will be fine. You don't want a ridiculously hot chili because pretty much this paste is just chili. And yeah, so I think the best ones to use here will be the piri piri chilies I've been growing. Yeah, so that's enough just for what we're going to do today. But you can make as much as you want of this. It keeps quite a while, but to be honest, I think this tastes best fresh. So we're back in the kitchen. We have our nicely cleaned peppers and we have some onion, some garlic and some ginger, and of course some salt, and then lastly some vinegar. So let's get started. First thing you need to do, we need to get rid of the seeds. Now I would recommend using gloves. You don't want the seeds in there because the seeds will add a little bit of bitterness to it. You can see it's pretty straightforward to remove the seeds. It gives a nicer texture and a nicer look to your sauce as well. So we're going to do that with all of these and I'll be back with you in just a little bit. Throw those in to your mixing jug. I'm only making a small batch, so this will be perfectly fine just using the blender stick. And then you blend it up. And we need to get some of that moisture out. So the way we do that is we put it on the stove. We don't cook it, let it simmer for a little while and get rid of some of that moisture. So you'll know it's done when it stops spreading so quickly. You can see there it takes a little while to spread out again on the pan. Then you know it's about the thickness you want. I think that's about right for me. All that's left to do is to put this in a small container, let it cool, and then put it in the fridge. And it should be good for at least a couple of weeks. Because of the salt and the vinegar, it will help keep out some of the nasties. And there you have it.